G is a trigonometric function of the form g of x equals a into sine of bx plus c plus d. Beside is the graph g of x. The function intersects its midline at 1.5, 1.5 and has a minimum point at 1, 1. Solution. Given function g of x equals a into sine of bx plus c plus d. Step 1. Find d, midline. The function intersects its midline at 1.5, 1.5, meaning the midline is at y equals 1.5. So, d equals 1.5. Step 2. Find a, amplitude. The function has a minimum point at 1, 1. The midline is at y equals 1.5, and since the minimum is at y equals 1, the amplitude is a equals 1.5 minus 1 is equal to 0.5. Since the function has a minimum at x equals 1, we assume it follows a negative cosine or a sign shifted accordingly. Step 3. Find b, frequency. The function crosses its midline at x equals 1.5. In a sine function, the midline crossing typically happens at 1/4 of the period if it starts at a minimum. So, the quarter period is 1.5 minus 1 is equal to 0.5. Since the full period is 4 times the quarter period, t equals 4 into 0.5 equals 2. The frequency is b equals 2 pi by t is equal to pi. Step 4. Find c, phase shift. The function has a minimum at x equals 1, and for a sine function, a minimum occurs at minus pi/2 phase shift. Since we have g of x equals 0.5 into sine of pi x plus c plus 1.5, we set pi into 1 plus c is equal to minus pi by 2. C is equal to minus 3 pi by 2. Final answer. G of x is equal to 0.5 into sine of pi x minus 3 pi by 2 plus 1.5. This is the exact expression for g of x. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share, like and subscribe. Video is sponsored by AE Academy.